Today, I'm in the ever popular village of Bishop's Hull and I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this Grade 2 listed period property, benefiting from 8 bedrooms, numerous reception rooms, a self-contained annex and situated on a sizable plot. The list really does go on and on. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this exquisite home, or maybe a valuation and range property, then please do get in touch.